Is understanding endorsements. Today, we are diving into how you can get more LinkedIn endorsements and display them effectively. So, endorsement, as the word suggests, is people endorsing you for the skills that we just updated in our profile. Endorsements can boost your credibility by showing that others vouch for your skills. Let's get started on how to utilize this feature to its maximum. So endorsements on LinkedIn allows your connections to confirm the skills you have listed on your profile. This not only enhances your profile strength, but also improves visibility in search results. First things first, make sure your skills list is up to date. The way we just updated it some time back. Include skills that are relevant to your current goals. Don't just load it up with everything. Prioritize. To get endorsements now, once you have the skills updated, you need to start by endorsing others. That's the thumb rule of social media. What you want to get is, how you get is by giving to others. So if you want more endorsements, you start giving more endorsements. If you want more likes, comments and shares, you start commenting and liking and sharing other people's posts. So it's a give and take. Often when you endorse someone, they will return the favor. So be strategic. Endorse skills for people whose endorsements you would value in return. This is important. Now, once you have done this part of the endorsement, what else can you do? So you can send custom requests asking people to send you endorsements. How do you do that? Using ChatGPT. So if you are comfortable reaching out directly, you can ask close colleagues for endorsements. Use ChatGPT to draft polite and personalized message. Let's do it on ChatGPT. So moving to the endorsements section of LinkedIn. How can I politely ask a former manager or a colleague for a skill endorsement on LinkedIn? Write a draft for the same. So now I have a message from ChatGPT with a subject line and the body. A small favor to enhance my professional profile with dear manager name. I hope this message finds you well, and so on. So when you're sending a LinkedIn message, you might not need the subject line at all, and the message maybe could be a little shorter. This is too big a message to go as a message. So this is good if you're sending an email, but if you're sending a message, this should be shorter, and you do not need the subject line at all. So please make the message short. Nobody wants to read such long messages. Now here we have it. Again a subject, but that's not needed. Hi, I hope you're doing well. I'm updating my LinkedIn profile and would really appreciate if you could endorse me for the particular skill that you want to be endorsed for. Your endorsement would mean a lot given our work together at this company. So that's how endorsement works. Now when you have sent these endorsements and you have received a lot of endorsements, your next step would be to managing and prioritizing these endorsements. So what do you do about this? So once you start receiving endorsements, it's crucial to manage them. LinkedIn allows you to reorder and prioritize the skills you want to highlight. Now this is interesting. Use ChatGPT to analyze your profile skill section and suggest an order based on your career focus. So this we can do it at any point of time. Now, what we do is, how do we showcase the top endorsements? The meaning, how can we put the top endorsements on the top, and then the order could follow. So highlighting skills that have the most endorsements, that could be on the top, or also the skills that are critical to your current job seeking or career development efforts. So you might not have the most endorsements in the new skills, but they could be at the top, showing that you have these skills and you also have a number of endorsements, maybe not the most number, but you still have good number of endorsements. So this means placing newer, more relevant skills higher up, even if they have fewer endorsements. Let's see how do we do this. So that's my LinkedIn screen, and here is the skill. And if you see, it shows one endorsement, and here's the option to reorder. So I can now, based on the skills that I have here on my profile, I can reorder these endorsements by dragging and dropping. So I can just drag and drop and prioritize the endorsements that I want to see on the top and the endorsements that I want to see at the bottom. So you see, website building has 7 endorsements, performance marketing has no endorsement at all, marketing has 1, digital marketing has 1, and so on. So that's that about endorsements. Remember, endorsements enhances your profile's credibility and can influence hiring decisions or your client's decision to work with you, or your brand's people wanting to work with you or collaborate with you. These things can change the entire game for you. Keep your skills updated, engage with your network, and use these steps to strategically engage or enhance your endorsement section. That's that for the endorsements. See you in the next video. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.